Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share my experience on Ajuna Avatar minting. I'm going to show you how I mint the NFT, and also I'm going to show you what you should be careful when you mint the NFT. So first of all, the Bajun network is the canary network for Ajuna. They already won the Kusama slot last year, and the Ajuna network, they won the Polkadot slot this year, and I participated in the Ajuna network this year as well. The Bajun or Ajuna network is a parachain in Polkadot ecosystem. They focus on the NFT gaming. We already know in Polkadot there are several NFT gaming platforms. The Ajuna network is one of that. So from February 10th at 4:20 p.m. CET time, the NFT minting started. You can connect, mint, forge, and become legendary. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First of all, on their website, they have the market where you can list your NFT. They have the leadership, you can check the ranking. Before you do anything, you need to connect to your wallet. They support the JS wallet, Tennisman, and the sub wallet. For me, I use the JS wallet, so I connect my wallet, and now after you connect that, you can see all the number of players, avatars, and everything. You can also have the link. It shows you how to get the Bajun, that is a token for the Bajun network. The market will show you all the current NFT that you can buy. You can also list your NFT on the market. So this is all the NFT you can see, and on the inventory you can see your connection. Overall, you can have 25 slots, but if you have more than 25, you probably can forge some of them. So to mint, you need to have the card. They have 1 card pack, 3 card packs, and also 6 card packs. You also need some Bajun token for the minting. And to get that, you can go to the MEXC and buy some of them. For myself, I have a little bit Bajun token, and I also have some card. On the leaderboard, you can see all the rankings. Those are pretty much the rare and the legendary. I hope I can get some rare or legendary in the future. So now I'm going to go ahead and mint. I select 6 card packs because for myself right now I have 18 cards. So I directly mint 6. Now I have 12. And now you can, after you mint that, you can keep minting. So I keep going and mint another 6. But here's the thing you have to be careful. You need to keep at least 1 card in your wallet. So don't mint all of them. That is a mistake I made. So when I make the video, I didn't notice that issue, and I use all of my card packs. And what happened is if you use all of that, you cannot get a new one. Even though you have Bajun token to buy, you cannot get that. So overall, now you can see all the NFT I have minted, and they have the power or some kind of ranking. You can see that like the best one for me is this one, like with 94, and I have 9285. And so for me, I don't think I get any very special avatar, and I think you need to forge them to get the legendary. So now I'm going to just go ahead and show you what you should do. So I pick the one with the highest soul points, so 94, and then you can click let's forge. There's a button there, and after you click that, you can pick 4 other avatar NFT that you will add it to this current NFT and forge that current NFT. So I'm going to just pick 4 of that, and those 4 you picked, they will be destroyed, I think, and then you can forge that. And the NFT you have originally, I have 94, right? And after you forge, you will get much higher soul points. And so like this one, and you can keep doing that. Like I have more than like 14, right? Avatar NFT, so I keep doing that, and finally my avatar, this one has a much higher soul points. Of course, this is not the best. You have to keep going and get the legendary. And so if you don't have the card, don't worry, there is a tweet. If you like, comment and retweet, you may have the chance to get the free NFT. So make sure you take the screenshot and send it to their Discord. They have it maybe for 1 day. So if you want to earn some free cards for the NFT minting, don't miss that opportunity. And so overall, that's all I want to share. And I think this is quite interesting, and a lot of people participated. It's probably now almost 100 people played the game now. And so if you have any idea or have any questions, feel free to add the comment below the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.